Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you this stem. It's called rhubarb. This rhubarb you grow it on your in your garden, and the leaves are very broad, very wide leaf. Unfortunately, you can't eat the leaf because it's poisonous, but the stem, when you cut it, take off the leaves, this is what you get. So you wash it and make sure there's no sand. Then you chop it up and boil it with just a little bit of water, very tiny, because it got a lot of water for himself. So if you over put your water, then it's gonna be like, it's not gonna look nice. So just boil it on its own. The water from the stem, we simmer. Just put a little bit of water with plenty of sugar of your choice or honey. I normally use honey. I don't use sugar. You can use maple syrup as well. So this rhubarb is a very great source of magnesium. Rhubarb is a great source of vitamin K. Rhubarb is also important for blood clotting and bone health. Rhubarb also contains fiber, which is good for our body. We need to eat a lot of fiber. That will help our bowel, our intestines to work every day, where you open your bowel, you go to the toilet, and it's packed full of vitamin C as well, you know. So it's make sure you can even just boil it with sugar or honey and eat with yogurt or custard, you know. Rhubarb also prevents colorectal cancer, which is bowel cancer. So if you eat this a lot, you will not get bowel cancer, you know. And it's good as well for your bone. So this is the information I want you guys to know about this rhubarb. So when you see it in the store or in the supermarket, grab it, get home, wash it, chop it up, and boil it. Don't put water, because its own water is enough. If you put too much water, then you won't like it. It will be too watery. So be careful when you boil it, because you cover it and lower the cooker, and the water from this stem will be enough for you to cook it. Just put plenty of sugar or honey. So I'm gonna boil my today now. Chop it off. It's already washed. I'll boil it with honey, then put it in the baking dish and do my crumble. My crumble will be my flour, cold butter, mix all together. It gives you that crumble. Then you sprinkle on top and bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes, 25 minutes. You can put in some honey on top as well, on top of the crumble, or you put in your sugar. Then when it is baked, then you bring it out and you serve with ice cream, yogurt, or custard. It's packed full of vitamins and nutrients. So guys, keep safe, and thank you for my subscribers. Thank you for all my friends, my new friends, and take care and bye.